If you're seeing the Gmail login error that says something went wrong, don't worry. This usually means there's a browser issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps to get Gmail working again, including using Incognito Mode, clearing your browser cache and cookies, disabling extensions, and forcing a full refresh of Gmail. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, the easiest thing to try is Incognito Mode. Open your browser, click the three dots in the top corner, and choose New Incognito Window or New Private Window, depending on the browser you're using. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and try signing in again. Incognito Mode helps because it starts with a clean session and temporarily ignores a lot of stored browser data, so if the login error is being caused by a bad cookie or a browser conflict, this step may fix it right away. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Go back to the browser menu, click the three dots again, and choose Delete Browsing Data. In the options that appear, select Cached Images and Files. Make sure you're clearing the cache, then click Clear Data. Cache files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Gmail loading properly or signing in the way it should. Now, if Gmail is still showing the same login error, clear your cookies as well. Again, open the browser menu, go to Delete Browsing Data, and this time select Cookies and Other Site Data. Then click Clear Data. After that, restart your browser completely before trying Gmail again. Cookies store your sign-in session, and if one becomes damaged or mismatched, Gmail may fail to authenticate you correctly. Restarting the browser helps make sure all those changes fully take effect. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some ad blockers, privacy tools, security add-ons, or script blockers can interrupt Gmail's login process. Open the browser menu, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any extensions that could interfere with Google services, especially ad blockers, privacy extensions, VPN-related add-ons, or security filters. Once you've disabled them, go back to mail.google.com and try logging in again. If Gmail works after that, you found the cause, and you can re-enable extensions one by one later to identify the exact one. Another very useful step is to refresh Gmail completely. Open mail.google.com in your browser and press Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac to force a hard reload. This tells the browser to bypass stored page data and load Gmail fresh from the server. Sometimes the page itself gets stuck on an older version, and a full refresh is all it takes to clear the issue. If you followed all of these steps and Gmail still won't let you sign in, try restarting your computer and checking your internet connection as well. Occasionally, the problem is temporary or caused by a network interruption, and a simple restart can help clear it up. You can also try signing in from a different browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. So to quickly recap, use Incognito Mode, clear your cache, clear your cookies, disable extensions, and then do a full refresh of Gmail. One of these steps usually fixes the Gmail login error, something went wrong message, and gets you back into your inbox fast. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Gmail or browser issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.